Hi and welcome to session 7. This is the last session of week 3 of the Beat the Stress series. And by now you've learned how to observe thoughts and to better experience your feelings. These sessions are decreasing the power that thoughts have over you so that you can gain the right perspective to examine them, to notice what is erroneous about your thinking, to transform negative thoughts into more balanced thinking. So today let us practice all the key techniques that you've learned these past days as you continue to beat stress and connect with your true nature, peace and relaxation. So let us begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths, breathing completely and easily, taking your time. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and experience the contact between body and chair. Mentally scanning the body from head to toe and experiencing how the body feels right now. Accepting whatever sensations you're noticing. And moving your attention to the breath, experiencing the rhythms of the breath, the sensations of the rising and falling of the abdomen. Moving your attention to your thoughts and feelings. First notice and experience your emotions, and don't let your mind drift away. Stay present and let the feelings come. These feelings may arise as sensations in the body, as changes in the breath, or an overall feeling. Notice and experience that. Also observe any thoughts that are coming to the mind. You can use the technique of the cat waiting for the mouse, or if there are too many thoughts, observe them as you would observe words or images on a movie screen. Keep checking in on the mind. If it drifts away, notice and bring it back. Now let your mind completely free, letting it go wherever it wants to. Let it do what it wants to do. And just observe closely and notice what the mind is doing and where it's going. Moving your attention now back to the breath. noticing once again the contact between body and chair. Notice any light shining through the eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. And take a few moments to notice how you feel. How does the body feel? How does the breath feel? How does the mind feel? And congratulations on completing week 3 of your Beat the Stress series. Along with insights, you have now learned many powerful techniques that will help you gain even greater mastery of the mind, so that you can beat stress at its very source, the mind. So come back where I'll give you more tips on connecting with positive feelings as you continue to beat stress and connect with inner peace and relaxation. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for the next session.